Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson about the Mathematics Science Group class 9th, and this lesson is equally important for 8th, 9th students and D4 students of O level and the students who are preparing the CI examination. In this lesson, I will solve exercise 1.1 of class 9's maths book. Question 1 says, find the order of the following matrices. Before going to the solution of this lesson, we have to recall that what is the order of matrix. Order of matrix. If you find any difficulty in understanding the concept of order of matrix or the matrix, you can find my previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. So as we know that order of matrix means the number of rows and columns in the matrix. If you look at the first matrix, it has two rows because rows move horizontally and columns move vertically. So it has two rows and two columns. So its order is 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Coming to the second example again, 2, 0, 3 and 5. It has two rows and two columns. So order will be again 2 by 2. And C, if you look at C, it has one row and 1 and 2 columns. Rows must be written in the beginning, so its order is 1 by 2. Now if we look at the D part, we can see that one row, this is the second row and this is third row, and we have only one column, so it has the order 3 by 1. Coming to the next question, that is E part, and it says that it has one row, two row, 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 by 2, its order is 3 by 2. Now if you look at F matrix, it has only a single element. It has one row and one column. So its order will be 1 by 1. Either you can write the order in this way, or you can write the order like 1 by 1. Both are okay. Coming to the next matrix, that is G. We can see that it has 1, 2, 3 rows and how many columns, how many times we have to observe the matrix vertically, that is 3. So order is 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Coming to H matrix, H matrix says again this is one row and this is the second row, and how many columns? First column, this is the second column and this is third column. So it's making 2 by 3 order. I hope you are clear about what is the order of matrix and how to write the order of matrix. Coming to the second question, which says that which of the following matrices are equal. Before going to the solution of this question, we have to recall that what is the definition of equal matrices. Equal matrices, under what condition the matrices are equal. So we can recall the two matrices are equal if they have the same order, their order is same. One condition is that we have to check the order, and the second is the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements must be same. Now if we look at the first matrix, that has only one entry, that is 3. Let's see which other matrix among these given matrices has only one entry, and that is 3. If we look at C, in our mind we are solving 5 minus 2, this gives me 3. Order of matrix A is 1 by 1. Order of matrix C is 1 by 1. So A will be equal to C. A matrix will be equal to C. The reason is that their orders are same and their corresponding elements are same. We have checked A and C, so we can tick it out. And then coming to B, B has the elements 3 and 5. Its order is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now we have to see that which other has matrix has the order 1 by 2 with the same formation of elements. If we look at D, its order is again 1 by 2, but if we look at the corresponding element, in B matrix the first element is 3, but in D matrix the first element is 5. So two matrices cannot be equal. Let's move to some other example, G. And if we look at I part, it says 3, and if in our mind we solve this 3 plus 2, it will give us 5. And again the order of I is 1 row and 2 columns. So B will be equal to I. B will be equal to, matrix B will be equal to I. And C we have done. Let's move to D, matrix that has again the order 1 row and 2 columns, and with first entry 1 and second entry is 3. Now let's see which other matrix can have the same entries. Like if I'm checking, this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 1. D, I hope there is no matrix with us which is equal to D. Coming to E, E has the elements 4, 0, 6 and 2, and the order is 2 by 2. Now I have to check rest of the matrices, that which matrix has the order 2 by 2 and the corresponding elements are also 4, 6, 0 and 2. If we look at J part, we can see 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 4, and 2 minus 2 will be 0, and this is 4, 2 plus 4 will be 6, and 2 plus 0 will be 2. So the order of E matrix and J matrix is 2 by 2 and the corresponding elements are also same. So E matrix will be equal to, and again if we look at H matrix, that is 4, 6, 0 and 2. So matrix E will be equal to, matrix E will be equal to, H will be equal to J. Okay, let's move to and check F matrix that has the entries 2 and 6. It has 2 rows and 1 column. Now let me see which other matrix has the entries 2 rows and 1 column with 2 at the first place and 6 at the second place. We are left with J matrix and D matrix. So D does not have the elements 2 and 6. So D and F cannot be equal at all. If we check G matrix, if we solve 3 minus 2 in our mind, that gives me 2, and 3 plus 3 is 6, and the order of G as well is 2 by 1. So the fourth condition will be that F equals to G. I hope you are clear how to decide whether and when two matrices are equal or not. We have to keep the definition in mind. The two matrices will be equal only if their orders are same and their corresponding elements are same. Moving to the next question that says find the values of A, B, C and D, where A plus C and A plus 2B, C minus 1, 4D minus 6 equals to 0, minus 7, 3 and 2D. As the matrices are equal, so we can equate the corresponding elements, that A plus C will be equal to A plus C, because given matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements we can equate. So A plus C will be equal to 0, and A plus 2B and A plus 2B equals to minus 7, and C minus 1 will be equal to, C minus 1 will be equal to 3, and 4D minus 6 will be equal to 2D. Now we can see that we have 4 equations with us. Let's mark them like A, and this is B, this is C, and this is D. Give some name to these equations. Now if we look at equation B, from B what we can do, C minus 1 equals to 3, shift 1 to other side, and C will be equal to 1 plus 3 and C equals to 4. Very easy questions, and let's block this answer. C equals to 4. Now what we have to do, we can see if we look at equation A, Now replace value of C equals to 4 in A. Replace C equals to 4. C equals to 4 in A. So it will take the form A plus C equals to 0, or A will be equal to minus C, or A will be equal to minus 4. I hope you are clear about how we are finding the values of A and C. And now if we look at our rest two equations, that A plus 2B equals to minus 7 and 4D minus 6 equals to 2D. If we look at the fourth equation, we can see that we can easily find the value of letter D. Now what we will be doing, 4D minus 6 equals to 2D. Shift 2D to other side, it will give me 4D minus 2D equals to 6. And this is 4D minus 2D is 2D equals to 6. D equals to 6 upon 2 and D equals to 3. I hope you are clear about this calculation. And now in order to find value of B, we can take the equation A plus 2B, A plus 2B equals to minus 7. Now we can see that A has the value minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2B equals to minus 7. Shift 4 to minus 4 to other side, and I will have, let me move to the top side of the page. 2B equals to minus 7 plus 4. 2B equals to minus 3. B equals to minus 3 by 2, or B equals to minus 1.5. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.